Hello everyone. So in this video I will try to create a Domo card based on date column like sum of order quantity by month, by day, period over period chart, this kind of things. So let me order date into x-axis. Now the data is loading. Yes. Now I can see I have taken graph by month. We have option to take anything like graph by quarter, graph by year, by week, by day, and even we can add filter here like how much data we want to see. And the next thing is like compare, whether we want to compare or not. So we can select if we want to compare, we can do comparison also. So now when I selected the data for previous year, then we have the option to select month over month comparison, year over year comparison. When I select data for this year, then still we will have the option like the year over year comparison, month over month comparison, year over year comparisons. So I how we want to see the comparison like 1 year ago, 2 year ago, 3 year ago, 4 year ago. So we have the option. So this option will enable based on the value that we select here in the date range. Like let's see when I select this month, what the other things we will get here. No, we are not getting. So it's completely based on what we select here. Okay. So let's go with the graph by week. So when I selected here like this month week, then this option got enabled like week over week, 8 week ago, 12 week ago. When I selected month, then comparison will come for year over year, month over month. When I select graph by day, let's see what are the things will come like day over day, week over week, month over month. So simply if you try to understand in a simple way, so the comparison will enable, this comparison option is getting enabled based on what we are selecting, and it is greater than that. Just example, like if I am selecting by day, then we are getting option day by day, week over week, month over month, quarter over quarter. But when I select by week, then it will start with week, it take day, so it will move next, uh, like it will start from week, then month, then quarter, then year. Same if I take graph by month, then it will start from month, then quarter, then year over year. When I select quarter, let's see, as per me it should start with quarter and then year over year. Let's select actually in this month we don't have the quarter data, but we have to select this year. Now we must have the quarter data. Let's see the comparison. So it should be quarter over quarter, year over year. Yes, this is the things. So now you understand the YOY means like year over year. How does period over period chart works? So here let's take quarter over quarter. We don't have much data, so it's better to go with this month comparison, month over month, 1 month ago data comparison. I think we have very less data here. Let me show you some test. Sorry, this year. Now we must have the data comparison month over month. So this is for this month and 1 month ago. So I think we have very less data. Let me take previous month, graph by week, graph by week. Yes, compare week over week. I think in this data set we have a less data. Let me see how much data we have. Like for what is the duration of data? Data is not there or what? Yes, we have the data is for 2020, so we to 2022. So we need to take for previous year, not for previous month. Previous year, graph by week, and we can go for week over week comparison. Now we can see the data, like for can see period over period comparison. So week number 50 have comparatively less value than previous week, because the previous week graph is up and current week graph is low. So same as if I show you here this one. So this is showing for week 7, but the week 7, okay, and this one this line bar is showing for week week 6. This one is showing for week 6. Yes, 6 week. Yes, for 6 week, 6th week it's a 6560, and for 7th week it's a 5479. So this is how the period over period chart works. We have 2 year data, then we can go with the month also, month over month comparison. Yes, now I think this will show more clear picture. So we can see for 2022 November month, this much data 11,607, but for the previous month they have more. So it means they are not doing well in November month compared to previous month October. So this is how period over period works. Thank you. But here, actually here I want to show you one more thing. Instead of this period over period, we are able to see data. Simply, like, we can select any of the date range, including current year data as well as previous data. So in the current year, today, this week, this month, this quarter, this year, period to date, like week to date, month to date, quarter to date, year to date. Simply for previous, in the previous we have yesterday, previous week, previous month, previous quarter. Next we can, if we have a data for future, like some prediction value is there, then we can select here, and we can create any kind of chart, like by month, by day, by year,